Alright, hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys here, and I found something here, and it's this old splendor electric desk fan. I bought this thing from a thrift store at Goodwill today, so I haven't had fans like this in such a long time, so yeah, I haven't done it in a while. And look at that. If they let it in, they bought this thing, they used it for like a little bit, and they stopped using it, well, and they let it get in like a dusty mess. The like bit of dust. Another one bites the dust. And also, I got it for $5.69 here, so yeah, here's the price tag, so if I get the price tag, I can throw it away, so I'm gonna gently get that off. And this thing, model is, I think it's probably from 2001, I think, so yeah. Alright, coming up below, tell me what the expiration date is. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's disgusting. Look at that, that's disgusting. I'm not gonna touch that. That's gross. And look at that, coffee stains. There's a lot of coffee stains everywhere on this one. Yeah, this one's probably gonna get cleaned, but it still works. And it's a 2-speed only, so yeah. But it works pretty well. It's a pretty nice fan back in the day. It's a pretty nice fan back in the day. It was, whoa, oops, off the camera. Alright. Start off with flow here. I used some old balloons here. And also, here's this one. It does full strength, but yeah. Oh, like that. Yeah, sure, it was blown off air. And yes, it works, but this thing is probably disgusting. This thing is gross. Probably clean that sometime. It's too high, so yeah. If I have this on display, it's gonna be next, so yeah. Oh my. Oh my goodness. So it checks out. Of course, blows on high. Spinning somehow like a garage or something, so spin down. Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and make sure you take care of your fans. So do not let your fan get this dusty. Don't let them get dirty. So if your fan is 20 years old, do not let it get dirty. So that includes even in 20 years old. Even so, do not, make sure you take care of your fans, guys. So trust me, always take care of your fans. Do not abuse them. And also, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you guys later. And bye.